How to calm down a hyper dog on the table. Allow them to greet you, but do not match the excitement of their energy. Trust me, I know it's hard to not give them love back, but we want them to be calm so we can safely groom them. I do this by turning around so they get the cue I will not entertain their excitement. Eventually, they'll calm down. Once they are calm, continue to be stoic, but now you can pet them in a calm manner. Once they are calm, you can start the groom. Throughout the grooming, continue with the same composure. Feel free to reward with calm petting. This way, they understand you are rewarding their good behavior. Sooner or later, they might even fall asleep, like this. After the grooming is done, feel free to love on them and give them treats.